Hello everyone, how are you? I'm back again with healthy concepts. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some important information regarding vaccinations. I think all you know that we generally take vaccinations since from birth, right? But do you actually know what is the meaning of a vaccine? Why is it important to take? What are all the vaccines one should take in his or her life? Is there any particular curriculum for it? Is it going to differ from country to country? If so, why? Kids generally get fever after vaccination, right? Why? How to deal in those situations? In this video, I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding vaccinations. Watch till the end to know the whole story of vaccinations. So, first of all, one should know what is a vaccine. In general terminology, it is a live attenuated microorganism which is given in form of injections or drops that usually enters into the body to give protection against various diseases. And now let's see why is it important to take a vaccine and what happens if you did not. It is important to take a vaccine because it saves us from many life-threatening diseases. There are several millions of microorganisms in our surroundings that cause various different kinds of diseases to us. It may be kind of airborne, waterborne, soil-borne or any contagious kinds of disease. To save ourselves from these kinds of diseases, we must take a vaccine. There are several different kinds of vaccines available for us which we take right from birth to our death. These vaccines act as bodyguards and fight with bacteria and viruses when they attack and boost our immunity power. Let's see what are all the precautions we should take after completion of vaccination. A general problem one faces after vaccination is fever. It is common for 1 to 2 days. And the second complication we see after vaccination is swelling. Remember, don't touch the swelling because it increases pain. And one more important thing everyone must remember is don't apply ice pack immediately after vaccination. It makes the vaccine to stuck in that body part and the vaccine will not circulate entire body. So wait for at least 24 hours and if the swelling still persists then go for ice pack. That's it about vaccination, guys. And yeah, I told you that this vaccination schedule differs from country to country, right? Because of prevalence of different kinds of microorganisms in different countries, we should go for different vaccinations.
These are some of the common side effects of corona vaccines, that is the Covishield and Covaxin. Remember guys, all these side effects are temporary, but make sure you consult your physician prior to your vaccination. And without doctor's suggestion, don't use any medicines to control these side effects. It is been confirmed that use of painkillers such as aceclofenac may deteriorate your vaccine. So doctors are advising some other alternate painkillers. So based on your symptoms, consult the physician and use appropriate medication. And finally, leave all the worries, keep calm and get vaccinated.
Okay, I'm leaving now. If you feel this video informative, share with your friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.